Welcome back to the Tiny Texan Cooks. Today we're having stir fry because I have a lot of vegetables that need to be cooked. Stay tuned. I've already prepped the meat and vegetables. This is some jalapeno smoked sausage, some red bell pepper, some green onions that have been cut on the bias, some green beans that have been cut on the bias. Margaret, this is for you. Look at all these beautiful bias cut green beans. They really do taste better this way. I'll show you a few more here. Look how pretty. These are some baby bok choy. I have washed them thoroughly and trimmed the ends. And this is some fresh ginger root. This is going to be so yummy. It smells so good. And this is my own teriyaki sauce. It's soy sauce, chicken broth, some rice flour, as well as a little bit of sugar. I'm going to be cooking this in my tagine because I don't have a wok.